Hey guys, I am Ketki Joel and welcome back to my channel. I am doing this video after a month and it really feels good. And first of all, thank you each and everyone for showing so much of support and kindness on my previous video, which was a tribute to my father. And I got so many messages and comments on that video. Thank you so much each and everyone for commenting. It really means a lot. And talking about today's video, Women's Day is in few days and today's video is on power dressing. Now, what is power dressing? Power dressing doesn't mean wearing those black coats and suits for the entire day. Power dressing is something that makes you look confident, makes you look professional and stylish at the same time. So, here are a few tips that can help you all in your power dressing. Tip number 1, ditch your denims. I know denims are the most comfortable wear in today's time, but please don't wear denims because denims look super casual. You all can opt for an complete black denim which doesn't have any wash going on or anything, but please don't wear denims. Instead, wear trousers which are straight cut, which are flare cut. There are so many trousers coming in style right now. Like here I am wearing this striped trouser. It can be paired as palazzo also, and pair it with a nice shirt or a top and then you are ready to go. Tip number 2, no skin show is needed. I know we live in an environment of feminism and of a thought that we can wear anything we want, we can wear anything that we want and go anywhere we want. So that is good. I mean, if you have that notion and if you have that thought, that is really good. But you should dress according to the event and according to the place you're visiting, I feel. And there is no need of skin show in power dressing, I feel. I'll correct myself and I'll say that there is no need of unwanted skin show in power dressing. That's it. Because then it's not going to look as a power dressing, it's going to look more of a beach wear or something. So you need to understand where you're going and then you need to dress. So yeah, what you all can opt for is you all can opt for a formal dress with a nice collar and 3/4 sleeves which has pockets, which has some nice cut, which is a pencil cut a dress, or a flare will also do, but an A-line dress, and then you're ready to go. The third thing is wear neutrals. I know all the people who love colors, even I love color, you all can see this. I hate neutrals and pastels, but we need to wear pastels and neutrals for power dressing. We can add an element of color like I am doing right now in an outfit, but imagine if you're wearing an entire colorful outfit from top to bottom, it's not going to look professional, neither is it going to look an office wear or something. It is going to look more of a beach wear. So every color has a theory, and neutrals and grays and pastels are best for power dressing. So what you can do is you all can opt for an pastel colored shirt and then pair it with a nice wine colored palazzo or even a pencil skirt, and it's going to look beautiful. Next up is layering. Now, layering doesn't always mean that you need to wear too many layers over your outfit. Layering can be simple and stylish. Like right now, I am wearing this blue colored bodycon dress. Along with it, I am wearing this white jacket, which is not formal, but it looks formal. It looks stylish formal. So you all can always opt for jackets like this. There are long jackets also available, which you all can pair it with your dresses or your kurtas also. There's no restriction for styling, and you all can style so many things, and so many unexpected styles can be created. So go ahead. Along with this, what you all can also do is jackets are not only thing that can be layered. You all can even layer a beautiful scarf around your shirt. So yeah. Next up is wear your sized clothes. Now I know oversized clothes are in trend right now, but they look super casual. So you cannot wear an oversized t-shirt or an oversized outfit and power dress, So even if you are on a healthier side, it doesn't matter. You need to wear your size clothes. If you think, I've seen so many of them saying that I'm very healthy, and so I'll take a size, a bigger size clothing or a bigger size kurta, and that is not how it is done. You are going to look even more fatter. So no matter what your size is, no matter what your body type is, always wear your sized clothes. Sometimes I see people wearing too tight clothes, too small clothes, which looks really bad. And then sometimes I see people wearing oversized clothes and oversized office wear or power kind of official wear, which looks boring and which also looks shabby after some time because it doesn't fit you. So that's the point. Wear fitted clothes. And the last thing is wear comfortable footwear, because you are going to be running and working throughout your day and your footwear needs to be comfortable. If it's not comfortable, your entire mood, your entire day is going to be ruined because your entire body pressure is on your legs. So you need to wear comfortable footwear, mostly go in for flats and bellies. And if you are working where you need to wear some heels or something kind of, so always ditch stilettos. Stilettos are not the option, but more comfortable option for heels are block heels. So yeah, this was it. I hope you liked the video. Do let me know in the comment section below how you liked the video, which part of the styling was your favorite. And if you all are trying styling at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Meet you next time. Happy Women's Day to you all.